Hi, hello. My name is Jivan Rakimani Marin. Meeting number is 17 DKA 23F1031.
Hi, my name is Khairul Jufiza Faiz bin Painani. My matrix number is 17 DKA 23F1060.
From the group 9, our project title is Smart Eco Composite Gypsum Panel using coconut fiber and wood powder for the sustainable construction. Okay, in introduction, into the innovation study, investigate the optional ratio of coconut fiber and wood powder to enhance the mechanical and environmental of the panel gypsum panel. Partition boards are the non-structural panels used to divide space, improve privacy, control sound control, and the enhance interior aesthetic value. They are made from the materials such as the gypsum board, wood, glass, and metal, offering flexibility for the various design needs. Innovations focus on the using sustainable material like recycled coconut fiber and wood powder in gypsum composites to improve the environmental sustainability while maintaining strength and performance. Overall, partition boards provide the customized and eco-friendly solution for the modern building, support for efficiency resource, the creation, healthier, and sustainable interior. Okay, for 3. So to partition board made from the recycled materials such as the coconut fiber and wood powder. Okay, second, to enhance the level of the material sustainability by adjusting it is the potential to reduce waste generation and environmental impact. The thing is to development the physical and mechanical property to produce partition board throughout the density, water absorption, and fire resistant. Okay, the density, water absorption, and fire resistant we according to ASTM C303 for the density, ASTM C473 for the water absorption, and okay, the fire resistant we are according to ASTM E119 for the fire resistant. Next, we move on to the global segment. The construction industry faces challenges due to the use non-sustainable materials like conventional gypsum board, which depend on the natural resource and product excess waste. Most current partition boards are not eco-friendly, hard to recycle, and contribute to the carbon emissions. Rising material costs and the demands lightweight affects design and to the issues. Therefore, there is need for the sustainable alternative to utilize the natural material while maintaining the requirement strength, stability, and the aesthetic quality of conventional partition board.
We move the material. Material we use permanently binder is gypsum powder and lime. And next, we use additional is resin and catalyst. And next, reinforcement fiber is coconut fiber, fiberglass, and wood powder. Wood board. And second, we make 305 times 305 and 200 times 200 mon. Third, we make a mixture for each ratio. Fourth process, put the mixture into the mold and press it down. Process is dry the sample in the side. Okay, the last process we do density, water absorption, and fire resistant test.
Okay, this is our test. Okay, we have the 3 tests for the density. First one, 100%, 50%, 25%. So if the 100% is we go to the 3 samples. The sample 1 we get the density 520.85, and the second sample we get the 586.33. The third sample we get the 666.67. So overall to average we get 590.28. Okay, the second one we move on to the next percent. Yes, that one the 50%. Okay, sample 1 we get the 541.67. Okay, the sample 2 we get the result for 458.33, and the sample 3 we got the 526.86. The overall average we get the 508.94 kg per meter per second. Okay, the third one is the 25%. Okay, sample 1 we get 458.33. The sample 2 we get 687.50, and then third sample we get the 500. So overall we get the 548.61. Okay, according to the graph result, okay, at the sample under average 596.28 kg per meter segi. That means the higher density and the best strength. The second thing, at the sample 50, quality, average 588.64. That means the balance strength and weight. Then the third one is the example, 25%, average we get 549.61 is the lower compaction and lighter. As the fiber decrease, the density also decrease. In conclusion, mass density tends to highest density, which correlates to the highest strength and compaction.
And next, water absorption test. At sample 100%, we get 16.8% absorption. And next, at sample 50%, we get 16.1% lowest absorption, and best resistant. Next, at sample 25%, we get 84% highest absorption and weak absorption. Next, fiber content decrease, fire decrease, also decrease. And conclusion, the 50% mixture is optimum for durability, showing the lowest water absorption.
Okay, next we move on to our last test, that means the fire resistance test. Okay, at the sample 100, we get latest 31 to 37 sec for the best insulation. At the 57%, we get less 30 to 40 second moderated resistance. At the 25%, we get less 13 to 25 second for the weak resistance. Okay, fiber constant decrease, fire resistance also decrease. In conclusion, step 100% gives the higher fire resistance. Segment compression criteria, the 100% mixture demonstrate the highest fire resistance lasting over the 30 seconds without the sustainable ignitions. Okay, in conclusion, smart eco composite gypsum panel with coconut fiber and wood powder are sustainable and effective alternatives to conventional gypsum board. The second, 100% mixture achieve the higher density as 590.28 kg per meter entry, better strength and the compactness. And the third one, panels show lower water absorption, more durable and the sustainable environments. Then attribute the excellent fire resistance which should hit for over the 30 seconds without the indications. Then finally, the project has successfully proved the agriculture by the products can create higher performance, eco-friendly building material and support given the construction goals.